Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive 3D scanning. With their cutting-edge technology and unmatched expertise, they are the go-to company for all your scanning needs. Whether you require scanning for industrial purposes or want to bring your artistic creations to life, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from the rest is their commitment to delivering exceptional quality. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and they leave no stone unturned to ensure that every scan they produce is flawless. Their state-of-the-art equipment and skilled technicians work together seamlessly to capture even the smallest details with utmost clarity. From intricate mechanical parts to intricate sculptures, Scon Design India Private Ltd can capture it all with unparalleled precision. But it's not just about the quality of their scans. Scon Design India Private Ltd also excels in providing a seamless and hassle-free experience for their clients. Their team of professionals is dedicated to understanding your specific requirements and delivering customized solutions that meet your needs perfectly. Whether you need quick turnaround times or special file formats, Scon Design India Private Ltd will go above and beyond to accommodate your requests. Moreover, their location in Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR makes them easily accessible to clients from all around the area. No matter where you are located, you can rely on Scon Design India Private Ltd to deliver exceptional 3D scanning services that exceed your expectations. Their convenient location, combined with their outstanding customer service, ensures that your experience with them is nothing short of delightful. Are you ready to take your business to a whole new level of innovation and excellence? Look no further than the remarkable 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Limited, located in the heart of Sadar Bazar, Delhi NCR. This company is revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with the world. With their expertise in 3D scanning technology, Scon Design India Private Limited is setting new standards in the industry, providing cutting-edge solutions that will leave you in awe. Imagine being able to capture every intricate detail of an object or a space with utmost precision and accuracy. That's exactly what you get with Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services. Whether you need to scan a product prototype, a building interior, or even a human body, their advanced scanning technology will capture every dimension, every curve, and every texture flawlessly. The level of detail that can be achieved with their services is truly mind-blowing. But it's not just about the technology, it's also about the expertise and dedication of the team at Scon Design India Private Limited. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are passionate about what they do. They understand the importance of delivering top-notch results and go above and beyond to